Hey there everyone, and welcome to this room review here on Quantum of the Seas. This time I'm actually in a interior room, so that means it doesn't face the outside of the ship. However, if you open up this curtain, and that's kind of a cool feature about that room, is it still gives you a feel like you're viewing the ocean because this huge flat screen TV, which is literally as tall as the room itself, is giving you the feeling that you're on the ocean and it's just kind of having a continuous picture right here. So let me close that again. It is relatively spacious, so it should easily fit, well, at least one person, but also two people should be able to stay here very comfortably. It has a makeup mirror right here in front of the work desk or in front of the vanity, and of course also a big flat screen TV. Right now the compass is on, which kind of shows you the program every single day while you're on the cruise. It also comes with a big and spacious sideboard with enough drawers to put all your clothes and belongings, and it has a very comfortable and spacious full-size bed, so it easily accommodates two people if you want to. And again, it also has a little seating corner right here with a chair and a closet space that has enough space to put all your belongings. Of course, I already hanged up everything, so I'm set and ready to go for the cruise. Let me open very quickly the door to the bathroom, which has a very nice curved door to the shower, and it's very spacious for the fact that it's actually an interior room on a cruise ship. Again, this is on Quantum of the Seas, so it's the mothership of the Quantum class cruise ships. And you also have a spacious sink area with a big mirror right here. Cheers everyone. And so there you go. This is an interior room with for sure enough mirrors. So hello again. Here on Quantum of the Seas. Take care everyone, and see you soon.